What's up, guys? Welcome back to Auto Hedge. Thanks for checking out today's video. Today we're going to be ditching this ridiculously big antenna and switching it out for a Rydonair. Stick with me. We're going to go step by step, compare and contrast. This is a nice mod. Let's get to it. Alright, first things first, right? If you're going to get one of these, you don't want to have to sacrifice your AM and FM radio if you're still an AM FM radio guy.
I am a car radio, and rather unusual one, if I do say so.
I don't know. It's kind of old school to me, but it is what it is. I know some people still listen to it. So let's jump in the car. We'll get a good base. We'll listen to 2 or 3 radio stations with the OEM antenna. We'll swap it out with the Rydonair antenna, and we'll see if we can hear any differences in quality. Let's go inside real quick and check it out. All right, so this is the factory antenna. Let's go through a couple AM and FM radio stations.
Number 42, E42.
Hi, I just bought a new car and I need plates.
All right, now this is an AM station. It's already a little bit foggy, so I'll be interested to see if there's any change. All right, let's switch out antennas and see if we can notice any difference in quality. All right, before we throw this on and do a comparison test, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about this product. I've purchased this already for my 2016 F150 about a year and a half ago, and it's worked absolutely flawlessly. I got this antenna because I don't want necessarily to have something that stands out. There's ones that are like, they look like bullets and they have like logos on them in different colors. I just want this antenna to kind of disappear. I want it to like kind of enhance the profile of my truck. And this is exactly what this product does. Right now it has, I want to say it's like 22,000 4.5-star reviews on Amazon. I know you can't always trust Amazon reviews, right? But it's 22,000 reviews. Trust me, it's an amazing product. Go look at it yourself. I'll put a link. I'll put an Amazon link in the description. It's perfect. It works exactly as you'd want it to work. This one is the 7-inch antenna. It's got a little carbon fiber bottom. They have different sizes, but this will fit a 2009 all the way up to a 2022 F150. So if you're looking for something to enhance the look and profile of your truck without sacrificing your radio, this is definitely the antenna. So this antenna actually works for a bunch of different vehicles. Check out the video description. I'll show you what this fits. Also, if you're interested in picking up this exact one, I'm going to put a link in the description. So to remove this, it literally doesn't get any simpler. If you noticed, I didn't include a tools part in this video because there's no tools required. You can literally turn this right off with your bare hands. Take it out. Grab your thread that it comes with. There's a short side and then there's a long side. The short side is going to connect to the antenna. Then you just screw it in. It's as simple as that. Also, if you want to make sure that this looks right on the truck, try to make sure that that beveled edge is in line with the windshield. That kind of just goes with the slope of the whole truck. Really just enhances the overall profile. It just looks so much nicer without that big antenna. All right, let's start with FM again. Perfect. Now let's switch to AM. This is the real test. Might even sound clear. I don't know. It actually might just be the song, but at least just as good. No difference at all. It literally sounds the exact same to me, maybe even a little better. I don't know if that's possible or if it's just the song, but no difference at all. Now this is kind of a repeat video for my channel. I did this exact install on my 2016 F150, but I thought I'd do another one on the 2021 F150 to kind of show you guys how good this product is. I've had this on my truck for almost a year and a half, 2 years. It's worked flawlessly. My wife does listen, despite my joking, my wife does listen to FM radio all the time, so it's something that I gotta have. I couldn't just like ditch it and buy a crappy one. Super highly reviewed and is super high quality. Thank you very much for picking my video to view on YouTube. I genuinely appreciate it. If you liked today's video, hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. So this antenna actually works for a bunch of different vehicles. Nice. Bug flew right in my eye.